And finally, ladies and gentlemen, JJC sent me a ransom package, which is supposed to be a camera case and traveling case for your DSLR and mirrorless cameras. But we're going to test that theory. But I want to show you the product first and show you that JJC was very nice enough to send me a lot of packages, but I really wanted a replacement magnetic filter adapter because I lost the screws to it. But we're gonna open this to see if JJC left any goodies inside. So in the JJC camera case, which is a divider, which you could put your private, maybe your ID card or ID card, maybe a couple of bills, and then you got this mesh, which feels very good quality. You could put maybe tripod sticks or SD cards or power bank, and then you got the camera strap that comes with it. Now let's talk about this camera strap. Now, as you can see, it's nice and chromed and glossy, which is nice, which I'm using the MAVEN filtered CPO to emphasize the gloss maybe. So I'm a one-man army, so I do apologize if you don't see the gloss, but it comes with a camera strap, comes with enough space and much more mesh. But it seems like here there's a divider that comes in twos. So you got one divider that comes in a single, you got another divider that comes in another single. And it seems like they're using M3 Velcro in the process. I could be mistaken. And there's another divider, as you can see, has double Velcro on the back. And then there's the case itself, which is pure empty. Now, it is tough enough to protect your camera or whatever you have to put in this case, but I'm not going to use it for my camera. I want to use it for other things. But we want to test it for my camera to see if it does fit the camera in lenses. So I do want to test that. But other than that, everybody, as you can see, the case has a very rugged feel to it from the outside. In the back, it's a flat panel with nice gloss. It's yellow and black, and it's double zipper. And you may want to know what are the qualities of these zippers, but they don't say. Hopefully they're XYYZ zippers, because I like those. And it comes with the handle strap. So let me put this back inside as it was, so you guys get a good idea. That goes flat, and this goes one by one on both sides, and this goes here on one side, and the camera strap. And it comes with a identification card system about your camera case, which is pretty cool. I like this. It shows you the compatibility, the product dimensions, and the product highlights, which, guys, they put a lot of work into their product, which I like. So take it with a grain of salt. But other than that, everybody, my name is ThePandaPhotographer, and this has been a JJC moment. And I want to say thank you to JJC for sending out their products to me. And thank you for the support, my friends. And hopefully, everyone, as you see this video, I'm doing this in the real world, so you get a real world review, as I am a independent photographer, YouTuber, and reviewer. I don't sugarcoat brands send products because I'm honest. So take it with a grain of salt, but subscribe, like, and share, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. See ya.